Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be exploring the plugins of Scratch after this. All of these plugins are awesome and I encourage you to use them. First, we have the music plugin of Scratch. It lets you play music, which I think is very cool. It comes complete with drum, rest, pitch notes, and piano, and even more. It also comes with tempo adjustments. You can adjust the speed as you go along. As well, we have a variable of the tempo that your music is set at, just in case you want to know at any time. You can have it print your tempo in real time. Second, we have the pen plugin, so you can release the artist in you with code, which I think is awesome. It has the basic features like erase, which is very important. Stamp, which will stamp a photo of your sprite on the page. It also has pen up and down, and your color, which you can adjust by percentage, which is going to be different numbers. So say 10 will be one number, 20 will be another. There are also features to adjust your color, saturation, and brightness, which I talked about, and transparency. In addition, you can adjust the pen size. For the third, we have our camera option. The camera option lets you set your backdrop as a video of you. You can also sense motion, so say if you move your hand in front of it, it'll sense motion. But you can change the motion amount, so then it'll sense a certain amount of motion. Fourthly, we have the text-to-speech feature. It lets your projects talk. So say you want to translate something, and then you want it to say it out loud to someone, it'll work. I tried to use it in a presentation once. It didn't work very well. Probably I did something wrong. You can make it talk different voices. There are alto, tenor, squeak, giant, and kitten voices. Yes, I said kitten. And you can set the language to a different language. So say if I wanted to respond to a question, it won't just use a speech bubble, but it will actually say something. Fifthly, we have the translator plugin. So in this option, you can translate an answer, and it will contain everything that Google Translate has in it, except for documents. You have to go into Google Translate for documents. So say if someone you're talking to speaks in a different language, you can have them type it in their language, and it'll translate for you. It works really, really well. Now, next, we have our Makey Makey plugin. It's basically a password thing, but it just uses your keys, your arrow keys, to use it as a password. You can set a series of arrow clicks as a password, or you can set a single key to be the activator. The last 5 plugins require external hardware that I do not have, so I cannot review them, but I will list the names. We have Microbit, Lego Mindstorms EV3, which I have used at school, Lego Boost, Lego Education We Do 2, which was also at my school, Go Direct Force and Acceleration, which I have not used before. And in conclusion, these plugins let you unlock more potential in Scratch, and I would recommend using them to your advantage. So now we have to thank the people who make these plugins possible. So here are the people who do it. Text-to-Speech is by Amazon Web Services. Translate is by Google. Makey Makey is by Joy Labs. Microbit is by Microbit. The Lego Suite, which is all of the Lego plugins, is made by Lego. Go Direct Force and Acceleration is by Vernier. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe.